Fate awaits her as she stares into the silver calm. Former days, kissed by rays, her destiny calls out and she is certain to respond. Soon there will be 12 plus 1. Number 13, its powers put you under in a mesmerizing slumber. She will fall. 13, she's no more, no less than number 13. When I crown the new god, she'll become a righteous princess when she joins us one and all. Magical ways, mystic haze, well-chosen words combined with magic spells will bring forth potions. Lifeless days, number days, the powers I possess will set my planning into motion. Little does our princess know what can happen when she shifts the status quo. 13, what a lucky number 13. Its powers put you under in a mesmerizing slumber. She will fall. What a lucky number 13.
What are you doing here? You don't look like a prince to me.
Well, actually, I'm studying to be one.
You must leave. You do not belong here.
I must leave. I don't belong here.
13. What a lucky number 13.